be awesome if I could get her in. Okay, back up. Not into the tree. Not into the tree.
Going right for the tree.
Not into the tree. There we go. Not into the tree. Yes, yes, yes. Good girl. Good.
Oh.
Come.
Wow.
Go, Katie, go. It's okay. It's okay. Oh.
Am I in your way?
Yes, you are in my way.
Back up, Jet.
Are we trying to get a jet in there?
No, do you want me to?
Come on, come on. Only if she would go in. Come on. It's okay, come on. Okay. Not into the tree, not into the tree. Gone. Back up. I'm gonna back you into the tree. I'm gonna back you into the tree.
Her head is cranked to your foot.
Yep, because she's stupid.
No, because she's smart.
And smart. Right into the tree, right into the tree. Here we go. Yay. Not into the tree. There we go, there we go, there we go. Good girl, good girl.
She's getting out of it.
Go on, you're okay. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna be able to get her out because she's not gonna come. She's gonna ram me into the tree. And it's just not good. Oh shit. Go ahead. That's square one. No, we're not, no, we're not, no, we're not.
Oh.
Easy. No tree.
Want me to try to get Jet in there?
Yes.
Okay. Go, Jet, go.
It's okay.
Okay. Jet's like... Oh, he wants a drink. It's okay. She's not leaving you. He's like, why won't she